Today we're working on a staircase on the north side of the building. We've been here probably, I'm going to say, 6 weeks in the foundation. We're on the northwest side of the building. Waiting for the dock builder's going to start burning all these piles down, 6 inches above the dirt there, then we're going to put the rebar in. The carpenters are forming all the form work around it. We have a couple of tie beams that tie into the staircase, and then before the concrete we put some dowels in for the walls that sit on top of this. We're going to pour about 60 foot of wall on the west side over here, which is actually the outside of the building. This right here is one of the stair towers that goes up to the top of the building. One of the stair towers is here. You have another one that's over here, triple elevator, another staircase here. One of the stair towers will go up onto the roof, so this is pretty important to get this corner of the job done, so we can start over here with getting the slab on grade in. All the utilities come in through here and through here. So this is right here is probably right now is very important to this part of the job right here. It's very critical right now. The weather this winter has been probably the worst in a long time. So it's a little bit slower than normal. We got a lot of snow, a lot of bitter cold. So the guys though have been toughing it out and they've been doing good. They've been doing good. We add, it's called accelerator into the concrete. It helps the curing process, helps it set up quicker, and then we usually put either concrete blankets, which keeps the heat in, or we put hay. You see the hay on top of that pile cap right there? We put hay on the top of it and it keeps the heat in. So concrete self-generates heat. The guys on the job very happy. They like working for the developer that's here. Hopefully within the next 2 weeks, the foundation will be 95% complete. They'll start grading, bringing in the utilities. We'll pour the slab on grade, and we'll start with the next floor. Hopefully everything works out the way it's supposed to.